Hey there, in this quick video, I'm going to compare the Lenovo Yoga 7Y14 comparing to the 16 and what are the main differences between these two. So primarily the 16 got better performance comparing to 14. It was also made in different year. So for school, for multimedia, even for working, for business, but for gaming, they're not that great, both of them. Now they are going to, like, I don't know, if you want to play some simple games, they're okay. But other than that, just be aware they're just not that great for gaming. Now, there are a few things that I want to show you. Oh, my camera went off, so without the camera. This is like ratings.com, really good website about reviewing products. And I want to show you like some data here. So when you're gonna look here, USB-A ports, you can have 2 on a 16. Then of course you're gonna have HDMI. This is like also important. So you have HDMI for 1.4 here for the 16. That's something that you don't have with 14, right? Now, when you're gonna go here, you're gonna have better Bluetooth on a little bit just different, but not that much the Wi-Fi. So you can have also like better core count, better thread count. So the CPU is better. I don't have opinion on GPU here, but look at here. So the RAM is going to be also better. You're gonna have 16 gigabytes and comparing to the 8 one and DDR5 and better speed. And also we're gonna have better storage. So you're gonna have 512 gigabytes, 400. The capacity is better, and that's pretty much it. So I just wanted to share with you like this quick comparison. Hope it helped you, and have a great day and goodbye.